Hello, everyone, and welcome to our lecture on the fascinating history of international wildlife law and policy as presented by Legal Lens Zimbabwe. Today, we'll journey through time to explore how international wildlife law has evolved and shaped our world. So, let's get started. Understanding any legal topic requires a look at its historical roots. National legislation to protect wildlife and the environment dates back to antiquity. Imagine in 1900 BC, Babylon adopted forestry conservation laws, and in 1370 BC, Egypt promulgated laws to establish nature reserves. These early efforts show a long-standing recognition of the importance of conservation. Fast forward to the final quarter of the 19th century, the use of international legal instruments for wildlife conservation began to take shape. In 1900, the major powers controlling Africa adopted the Convention for the Preservation of Wild Animals, Birds, and Fish in Africa. This treaty aimed to regulate wildlife exploitation and encourage the creation of nature reserves. Though it never formally entered into force, it laid the groundwork for future treaties. In 1902, European governments concluded a treaty to protect birds valued by farmers for controlling pests. This was followed by the 8th International Congress of Zoology, where the idea of creating a permanent international organization for conservation was proposed. Swiss conservationist Paul Sarrazin championed this idea, leading to the 1913 Act of Foundation of a consultative commission for the international protection of nature. However, the outbreak of World War I halted these plans. Between the Great War and World War II, environmental protection took a backseat to pressing diplomatic and economic concerns. Nevertheless, non-governmental organizations made significant strides. The International Committee for Bird Protection, ICBP, emerged as a key player, setting the agenda for bird protection and contributing to contemporary conservation treaties. After World War II, the establishment of the United Nations and its specialized agencies like the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, UNESCO, and the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, brought environmental issues into focus. In 1948, under UNESCO's auspices, the International Union for the Protection of Nature, IUPN, later renamed the IUCN, was created. The IUCN continues to play a vital role, notably through its red list of threatened species. The 1960s marked a turning point in international wildlife law. Public awareness and political action surged, influenced by works like Rachel Carson's Silent Spring and the founding of the World Wildlife Fund, WWF. Here are some key treaties and commissions since the 1960s. The history of international wildlife law and policy is a testament to humanity's evolving understanding of the importance of conservation. From ancient laws to modern treaties, we've come a long way in protecting our planet's precious wildlife. Thank you for joining today, and stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time.